To create a document, we're going to go to TUSD, Clever, Office 365. Down here to apps. You'll use all of these in high school, but predominantly Outlook for email, Teams, and we're going to Word. So we're going to click Open Word, create blank document, and then the naming is right here under Document. You click that, and you're going to name it your first and the last name, your number, your period, the date you started typing, and the name of the assignment, which is Essay 1. You will then go to Share, Manage Access, Share, go to this cog by Copy Link, make sure it says Anyone and Can View. We're going to apply. This eyeball should be here, that means Can View. We're going to copy the link. Then we're going to go back to the apps in Team or in Clever. In Microsoft Outlook, go to Teams, or Microsoft Office 365, we're going to go to Teams, go to your period for ELA, so you can go to all teams and then whatever period you are. And you're going to see a post that says Essay Links. You're going to go to the next post to comment, and you're going to Control V or right click and paste. Your document will be there, and then you're going to click this so that it posts and looks like this. All right, then once you do that, you're going to go back to your document and start typing. So, formatting. The first thing you're going to do is your name, number, period, date, and then you're going to do your title. And the title shouldn't be the title of the book. It should be what your essay discusses. You should have maybe keywords. It should reflect the thesis. It should match the tone of your essay. So you shouldn't have a humorous title if the essay is serious. You're going to put your title right here. So you're in the middle. So you got to, this is left justification. We want to go center. So we're going to go, all of this right now is left. We want to switch this to center. And you would put your title like The Life and Choices of a Director. Film director. Or film directors make a difference. When you do a title, these small articles should be lowercase, everything else should be uppercase. The title should not be the title of the book. Now, when you enter, you're back here in the middle. So we need to go back and left justify. You should tab and then start your introductory paragraph. Then your body paragraph 1, and you're gonna every body paragraph is going to be, or every paragraph is going to be indented. Oops, that's spelled wrong. And your conclusion. So everything, if you have any red or blue underlines, you need to go back and fix it. What's wrong with this? Ooh, my L is capital. So we're going to indent, which is tab. And then when you do start typing and you go back, you continue your paragraph, it'll come here and everything will be aligned left justification. Now, the spacing is messed up. So we're going to go here. You're going to come here to line spacing. make sure it's double. Go back to line spacing, remove. Now it's correct. You also need a works cited page. So we are going to go, when you're done at the end of your concluding paragraph, you're going to go to Insert, Page Break. And you're going to title the page Works Cited. But it looks like it has an indent. There we go. Now it's in the middle of the page, right under 3. The works cited is a little bit different, so we're going to go back left. This is your citation that is cite. Let's say you did The Outsiders. Your works cited would look like this. You're citing 2 things, the movie and the book. But this is way too big. So we're going to go here. We're going to go times. We're going to go back to 12. We need to take off all, no bolds, no caps, no underlining. This needs to be, again, double space. Now, if this went a second line, oops, back to left justify. Let's say it went past like this, like that. This second line, this is called a hanging indent, would need to be indented. So you would tab this in. But because it's only 1 line, and you're citing the book and the movie, this is H, this is O, it should be in alphabetical order. This would be for The Outsiders. This would be works cited. You also need to have page numbers. So you're going to insert page numbers, top right, and it will do it for you. Then to add your name, you're going to double click here. When you double click and you click on the number, it's going to have this. Don't touch that. You would put your last name. Make sure that it is times and 12. That is your, when you click off of it, the page number goes, and then you see it's on every page. Highlighting, or let's see, formatting. In the end, when you're editing, please make sure you have 5 total paragraphs, 5 sentences in every paragraph, 5 or more, 4 or less errors in grammar, 3 or less formatting errors. You're going to highlight yellow. So anything that you need to highlight, so your body paragraph, you're going to be highlighting. Your highlight colors are here, yellow and green and pink. Those are what you're using. So let's say I wanted to do yellow with red, like you would for bottom bun sentence 1. You're going to go yellow highlight, and you see how it's yellow with red font. You're going to make that red. So it would look like that. Make sure it's double spaced like I showed you. 12 point, New Times, black font, left justified, except for titles, which is works cited and then your essay title. Page numbers, your last name, your formatting for your header. Okay, for citations, I gave them to you, but if you did, this is your citations if you're doing Outsiders. But if you wanted to, you could just go and Google in-text citation for the boy in the striped pajamas. So it's going to give you an in-text citation, and it's showing you how to do it. MLA, this is us. So you would just have this, the author's last name, with the page number. The works cited at the end would be this. You can just Google it and it'll have it right there. But I did give them to you and showed you how in your examples. When you're editing, please make sure that you do not repeat any words, you paraphrase, you do not use the words claim or key point, you do not use first or second person point of view, all third person. Your novel quotes and movie references all are in text cited like this. You have the appropriate highlights. And you do the formatting checklist, and the highlighting checklist and all that is on stapled to the top, and your table is stapled to the back. Please make sure you do all those things.